Alright, so rain or shine. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Thank everybody for tapping in. This is my first meet that I'm doing, putting together. A good friend that passed away recently, and I wanted to do some kind of just something to just honor him. So decided to do this a few months back, and so now the day is here. I'm excited to try to get this going. It is raining, so you know, whoever shows up, I appreciate it. Whoever doesn't show up, I appreciate it too. Just the fact that we've been trying to make something happen out here. Basically, this is dedicated to Keith Brown and his family. I just wanted to, you know, do something that we were planning on doing before, and my word to it, and just make it happen. But I'm excited about the vibe, just trying to make it happen, even though the weather's kind of whatever. But as you can see, the truck is completely packed up with stuff. Big shout out to all these sponsors that have been helping. We are at the Home Depot right now, and it is about, what time is it? It's about 10:30. The meet is supposed to be starting around noon. I'm trying to get this stuff set up now, just in case, so it doesn't rain and get all crazy. So yeah, make it happen. Let's see. Let's go. All right, so getting things started. Rain or shine, to set up this tarp. I was thinking about doing it over there. Maybe get blocked a little bit by the shed. It's kind of too far off. Just kind of see how the vibe goes, but about to get it set up. Got Wolf out here. We got some of the new hats. Also showing off the new gear with the new jerseys. These are just like samples right now. Still testing with the stuff and find out what the crew wants to do. I'm excited. This is the first thing. I know there's no one here right now, so let's just imagine, you know, a few more trucks. Maybe, you know, I'll be happy if one person shows up. I'll be happy. The goal is at least 5. I'll be hyped. Anything. I'm just hyped that this is just happening. Just trying to do something. So stay tuned. Appreciate y'all checking out the channel. Make sure you subscribe. And stay tuned for more. So why do you got the tarp over the top?
Because it leaks like a sieve. It's got the 1970 moonroof, bro.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yeah.
Oh, it's everybody out here. Yo, Hunter's out here. It's lit. So Hunter's about to be one of the new members to the LST Thriller crew. This is an OBS body style. Crazy. Rain or shine?
You got the word out, bro. They still showed up in the rain.
I'm honored.
Bro.
I'm honored. Bro.
You need to come over to the cruisers and tell them, hey, let me blow you guys up.
Let's go.
We have the stoop. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm overwhelmed
right now. To have this much turnout in the rain, it's so good.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm blessed. excited about this. Thank you guys for everyone that showed up. Big shout out to Executive Tires for coming through. Big shout out to Donut Tree, Starbucks, O'Reilly's Auto Store, to Home Depot, the LSC crew, GlowPro LED. Shout out to all, just everyone in the truck community and in the skating community too, bringing together all this stuff. Hopefully this is just the first of many things to go. As you can tell, it is still pouring down, but even in the rain we still came together and made this happen. So I'm very grateful. I mean, this is, you know, I'm excited to see what the rest of the future has in store for all this stuff. So big shout out, Wolf, we're out here, and everyone that came through today, much love. Let's get it.